In today's video, we'll be learning that what other people are searching. We'll be having a close look to that, and most importantly, I'll be helping you out in installing a tool. Do not skip today's video. Today's lecture is yet very important. Simply go to Google and search for a keyword. So let's search a prominent topic these days, which is law of attraction. If you are a believer, like me, now if we see that the search volume for these keywords is quite huge. A lot of people are searching for the law of attraction. Now, in order to rank higher for these particular keywords, the prominent keywords that you select from day-to-day life, what you need to do, don't do everything by yourself. Let there be somebody to help you. For that, I'll be helping you out with installing a tool by which every time when you search for a keyword, it will help you additionally. Simply go to Google and search for keywords everywhere. Now students, this is the tool that we are going to install at Google Chrome. Simply open keywordseverywhere.com. This is a tool for search volume, CPC, competition data on 16 websites useful for internet marketers. Either you can install for Chrome or Firefox. I'll be going ahead with Chrome. Simply click on install for Chrome. Once you do that, it will take you to Chrome Web Store. What you need to do is simply click on Add to Chrome. See students, it has a very good rating and it has a huge number of active users. The email that you fill at the time of sign up will have a link. Once you click on the link, you will get your API key. So after getting the API key, simply copy that and go to settings. You will see a K icon at the top right corner. Click on that. Simply put the key. Select the country, select the currency, as I am going to select for Indian rupee. Once you do that, validate your key. Click on the validate button and see the API key is valid. We do have Google Keyword Planner, Clickstream. We also have enable disable matrix, where we can enable or disable volume, CPC, competition. Supported websites is the main attraction for me. See students, it has ample number of websites that it supports, including Moz, eBay, Amazon, YouTube, everything. Miscellaneous settings, there are by default some options being checked. We will not change these. So this is how, once you validate your API key, the page looks like. So students, this is how you need to install a tool. And every time when you will search anything at Google, this you will see in the coming videos. For whatever keyword we'll be doing searches, Keywords Everywhere is there to help us additionally. I again repeat that once the installation is complete, you will see an icon with K written in a circle at the top right corner. So there, click on settings, paste the key and go ahead. So this was the tool that we have installed to check for the search volume, for different kinds of keywords, to check for different kinds of competition at different keywords. I hope that this was really helpful to you. See you in the next class, but before that, an assignment is there for you.